Hi, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's well and safe in this challenging time. There's not a lot we can do about it, but I'm hoping to take the time to get stuck into the restoration of the Elan. It's been a bit difficult to get some jobs done over the last 6-7 months, but I started earlier in the year, just finishing off the stripping of the paint, and it's nearly done now. But I just thought I'd update you before I release the videos on what needs to be done to the body, because there's rather a lot, and I was considering whether it would be more prudent to buy a new shell, but given the cost and the fact that with a new chassis already, it would be much like Trigger's broom. So I'm going to put the effort in and try and rectify all the mistakes and repair all the damaged areas, of which there are rather a lot. So that will be coming up very, very soon. I'm hopefully going to release, depending on how long the videos are, it may be split into 2 episodes, it may just be the one. But I'm hoping to release something probably this weekend. So I hope you'll stay tuned for that. The only thing I need to strip now are the insides of the doors and the sides and the inner part of the bonnet. So let's have a look at one of the doors just as a little bit of a taster, I suppose. This is the offside or driver's side door. It's the original that was on the car when it was built. The door over in the corner there, just over there, that's a replacement door, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that one, but this one has had a few repairs to it. If we can go up here, if you can see, it's had a bit of a bad repair. Someone's tried to repair the crack there. As you can see, it's flexing, and it's not particularly good. I'm not sure what this hole is there. It was all covered in under the paint, so I thought it might be a wing mirror, but it used to be there, but I don't know. There was quite a bit of cracking around this hole here, which you may be able to just make out in the fiberglass, and there was some around here as well, which it's a bit difficult to see now, but that will all be repaired. And as you can see, the surface of the door is not particularly good. It's not showing up too well on the screen at the moment, but it is bad, and it just needs all sanding down and doing properly. As you can see there's 7396, which is the body number, and it's on the actual inside of the engine bay as well. This inside is not too bad. This paint has been put over the original paint with not too much preparation, and I'll show you a bit more of that in a minute. But it just needs all stripping off, preparing and painting properly. When I come to the door shut, where the door lock goes, it wasn't very well prepared. Now I'm presuming that this is the original, on which the original paint was put. If we go down here, we can see that is paint over this black paint, which is actually over the original paint that was on the car. Why they've done that, I don't know. This feels a bit greasy, and it does leave residue. If you'll focus, no, it's not, just want to. That's what was sprayed over by the people that last worked on the car, which is not particularly good. Plus down here we can see that's the paint that the previous people put on it over a filler layer or a spray on filler perhaps, and then I'm not sure where that's the original paint because it's extremely thin, but all that's going to come off obviously. So that's the condition of the original door. It'll probably take me about 4 or 5 hours I guess to actually remove the paint from that, and then quite a few more hours to prepare and repair it. So lots of fun to come. Right, the boot lid, as you would probably expect, is the best panel on the car, but it's not without its little areas of damage and parts that need attention. But I'll leave that till later in the week and a full report on what needs doing to the body. Right, that's just a short little update on what's to come and what I'm doing at the moment. There's lots and lots of work to be done on the car, as you'd expect. The engine needs rebuilding. The gearbox has been rebuilt, so I don't need to worry about that. I need to have a look at the diff. The dashboard probably needs re-lacquering as a minimum, and pretty much everything else needs refurbishment. So there's lots ahead, and it can seem a bit daunting at times. And there was a period about 2 months ago where I thought, have I bitten off too much? But on reflection, it's a good project, and it keeps me out of trouble, keeps me out of the wife's hair, I suppose, and gives me something to look forward to. The joy driving it, which I haven't had much opportunity to do before I started stripping it down, is enough to keep me going. So please keep watching. If you've got any suggestions or tips or ideas that you might want to contribute to, I'm all ears. So please subscribe and please like, because it does help the channel, and there's lots more to come, as I say. This is a very short video, just a little bit of an update, as I said. So the main update on the body will appear within the next week. Okay, so thanks for watching and keep safe.